Maybe your car looks like this, and so the previous video won't help you out. This one is a version 4 through 6 GC8, so if you have one of these bad boys in America or whatever country you're in, this is how you would take this panel off. You have a little slot right here, this little cover, there's a screw hiding behind it. We have to remove the window switch to be able to access another screw. You have to pop this component off here, this little trim piece, this piece, and this clip here, and then the rest will be self-evident. Okay, so first off, boom, take that off. So something to note is you want to pry from the front because the clip's here and there's something that slides underneath this armrest piece. If you break this, you'll regret it. You'll regret it. I'll just leave it as that. So you want to pry from the front. And then you got that little piece right there that holds it down. If you don't do it, it'll always pop up like this. It'll be super annoying. With this out of the way, it reveals another screw here. They're both Phillips, this one and the previous one that I mentioned here. If you drop it into the panel, it doesn't matter because you're taking the panel off. So you'll be able to get it. Those two screws undone. Take off this little clip here, interior clip. Here we go.